5 cooking, and today we're going to make a chicken and mushroom pie. Here's the ingredients. We've got sliced mushrooms, frozen. Sainsbury's golden vegetable rice, but I would recommend Uncle Ben's. Himalayan pink salt. Rainbow peppercorns. Italian seasoning. And chicken gravy granules. And the main ingredient, chicken. And a nice little Pyrex dish, only a small one, don't need a big one. Well, depending on how big your family is, should I say. There's only 2 of us, so we just have a little one. Yeah, then, let's make a start. Oh, the chicken is from the local Foster's Fair in the Gloucestershire area, where he only delivers locally, but we get all our fresh meat from him. Absolutely brilliant meat, definitely recommend him. We put a bit of mushrooms in the bottom of our dish. Put as much as you like in. I don't measure anything, you might have noticed. I just bang it all in. We'll season it with our peppercorns. To your own taste. I'll put some of this pink salt, not too much. I've put a sprinkle of herbs in. We'll add 2 tablespoons of our dessert spoons, that is, of our chicken gravy. So when the mushrooms cook through, you'll get more of a mushroom flavour than a chicken flavour. But I'm using chicken granules because we've got chicken. If it was beef, I'd use beef granules. If you don't want to use granules, you can use chicken stock as well. It's up to individual preferences. I'll just tip that in there, like that. And then I'll prepare the chicken to go in there. We'll put this to one side, and then I'll get my cooking board, chopping board should I say, to chop the chicken up. Right, we'll give our pan a spray of extra virgin olive oil. Just give it a spray, because we're going to brown the meat off, the chicken off, when we've cut it into pieces. The reason why I've prepped all this first before I've done my chicken is so I don't contaminate food with raw food. Now just get it out of the fridge. Then we'll start to fry our chicken. Take the skin off. Watch your fingers when you do this bit. All you're doing is just sliding the knife under the skin and pulling the skin away from the meat. Like that. And then you'll find where the bone is and cut down from there. And basically you're just cutting the bone out. You can use chicken fillets if you don't want to debone it yourself, or you can ask your butcher to debone if you don't want to do it. Make sure you got the gristle off. And that's your chicken. Bone free. Just check, there is a bit of gristle, so we'll get that out. The muscle, you don't want to be eating that. Just take the meat off it. And then put that in your pan. Try and get as much meat as you can. And then the same again with the other one. This must come off easy. And then just find where the bone is and then just slice around the bone. Any butchers out there watching are probably saying, "Oh, what's she doing?" But there's the bone out. And then again, just dice up your chicken. I'll wash everything off and wash my hands and get rid of all the raw meat we don't want, and then we'll fry the meat over to sear it. Okay, now we're going to turn the frying pan on now. Hey, first time, I'm doing well. I've been in this house 4 years and I have struggled with this cooker. Don't normally do it for the first time. We'll just let it warm up and then we'll make sure it's not pink. We're searing it on the outside. And the reason why I said we won't get Sainsbury's again, Uncle Ben's, there's probably other varieties out there, but this one, if you don't sort of break the packet up first when you put it in, you don't have to do this with Uncle Ben's, but if you don't break it up before you put it in your microwave, when you take it out, it's still the same shape as the packet. It's more chewable than fluffy. Sorry Sainsbury's, but you really need to improve on this brand. That's my rant. Right, it's starting to sizzle now. We don't want to cook it all the way through, we just want to make sure it's kind of white on the outside and not pink. It'll cook all the way through the oven when it's cooking in the pie mix. So. And the reason why I cook out of packets and stuff is just that anyone can do a meal. You don't have to be a gourmet chef to be able to cook. I'm not the world's best cook, I just throw things together. Hopefully it turns out alright. I filmed the husband would have something to say if it didn't turn out alright, because he definitely wouldn't eat it. We have had a few disasters where he looked at it and thought, no thank you. So it's all a learning, it's all about experimenting, that's what cooking's all about. It's about enjoying what you do. That's seared enough now, so we'll put it into our mix. I'm going to use 2 chicken thigh legs because it's only me and the husband, but obviously if you've got a bigger family you'd have more to it. That's that. We've just got to put the top on it now. I made a bit of a error when you put 2 spoonfuls of this in. It's a bit watery, so I'm going to put another 2 spoonfuls in just to thicken it up. That's the chicken gravy granules going in. It'll thicken up as it cooks. It's very nice already. And just get rid of the spoon. And then we'll put our top on. This is the ready rolled puff pastry. I'll just put this in. Just put the top on now. We're going to put it in the oven at 170 degrees for about 45 minutes or till golden brown. Oh, I just remembered. Don't forget to give it a milk wash. Just check the pie. Wish you Michael's hands. Oh, he's there. Oh, he's hot. Ooh. That's off. And this is the finished pie. Put this in the microwave for 2 minutes while we dish out. Golden vegetable rice, Sainsbury Zone. Helps if you turn it on. Bang that on for 2 minutes and we'll dish our pie out. Our chicken and mushroom pie with rice to enjoy. I hope you like watching this video, and if you like, to press like and subscribe. And don't forget to ring them bells.